15 years since its debut, Stefan Janoski's boat shoe-inspired signature remains a staple in skate shops. While the Nike SB Janoski may not command the same hype it once did, its timeless appeal continues to draw skaters, especially when fresh styles hit shelves. The latest pony hair edition offers something unique for fans of textured, animal-inspired designs. Departing from the usual canvas, suede, or leather builds, this release dresses the entire upper in light tan pony hair. The look recalls the 2020 Medicom SB Blazers, though the shade is notably different. Adding subtle flair, the outsole comes in soft pink rubber, featuring a rose graphic near the toe. Inside, custom floral-printed insoles continue the theme. The Nike SB Janoski pony hair is available now through Nike.com, retailing for $105. Whether you skate or just appreciate bold textures, this pair offers something offbeat and stylish.